The Singer Slan-O-Matic 500, the greatest sewing machine ever built. From the moment you see the new Slan-O-Matic, you'll know it's excitingly different. You'll marvel at its truly remarkable sewing. You'll delight in the fine, sure beauty of its stitching, the convenient features never before built into one machine. The faceplate swings open to reveal threading chart. It outsews all other machines in both straight and fancy stitching. And remember, it's made entirely in America. When closed, the walnut flip-top cabinet conceals the sewing machine and becomes a contemporary side table. Designed with you in mind, double easy threading, built-in eye-level stitch chart for easy reference while you are sewing, information at a glance that lets you tune the knob to whatever fancy stitch you want.